morning class. In our previous video, we have discussed verb forms, which is prerequisite to learn tense. So today's class is about the use of present tense. So when we talk about the present tense, as we know, it has the four divisions like simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So simple present, which is also known as indefinite tense. So here we can show here the state, habit and universal truth or scientific truth. Just when we will talk about state, I am a teacher, you are a boy, she is a girl, she is a doctor. So here it is a state. I am a doctor, I am a teacher, I am a student, I am a lady, like that. Whenever we talk about habit, I go to the park every Monday. So I go to the park every Monday. So every Monday, it is what? It is an adverb. This adverb shows about the habit. Like some words, or which one we can see the adverbs, like always, seldom, rarely, usually, generally. These words can be used with the simple present. I always go to my parents' house. I seldom watch movies. I rarely visit to different places. So in this case, when we use these words, these are known as the adverb of frequency. This always shows about the simple present tense. Third, universal truth or scientific truth. The sun rises in the east. This is universal truth. Man is mortal. This is universal truth. And as you know, the scientific truth. When we will talk about the scientific truth, for example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. So these are the scientific truth. So whenever we talk about any scientific truth or universal truth, we must use the simple present tense. So simple present tense is used when we talk about state, when we talk about habit, and when we talk about the universal truth or scientific truth. Then the second, continuous. What do we mean by continuous? Continuous means an action which is going on. That is continuous, or which is also known as the progressive tense. So in this case, a single event in progress. What now I am doing? I am teaching. What you people are doing? You all are listening. So you all are listening. I am teaching. This when continuous tense form is subject plus is, am, are plus object or complement we can use. So in this case, whenever we are using is, am, are plus ing form of the verb, means I am teaching. So the work is going on. Now I am teaching. So I can use here now. He came at the right moment. He is coming at the moment. So he is coming at the moment. Means here at the moment. Now these words we can use here whenever we talk about the continuous tense. Then the next, temporary habit. Just when we have our work, whenever we are going to school, so it's become our habit that we usually get up at 5 o'clock. But now in this pandemic situation, we are not going to school. We are not going to our working places. So these days what we are doing? We are getting up at 6 o'clock, sometimes 7, sometimes 8. So in this case, which is the permanent, not permanent habit, which is the temporary habit. For example, we get up at 5 o'clock when we are going to school. But now in this pandemic situation, we are not going to school. So now we are getting up at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. So whenever we talk about the temporary habit, so in that case we will use continuous tense. Okay. Then next comes perfect. In perfect tense, what happened? Past event with present result. Somebody has broken the window. Somebody has broken the window means what? Now also the window has broken. We can find it, we can see it. For example, I will say, I have hurt my leg. I have hurt my leg means you can see that I have got hurt in my leg. So whenever the action has the present result, in that case we will use the perfect tense. And past event, indefinite time. I have seen the movie. So that here we don't have any definite time. I have seen the movie. I have not mentioned here time. Then to describe an action, just complete it. So as I said, always, seldom, rarely, if we can use in the simple present tense, like at the moment, now we can use in the continuous tense, the same, just, already, yet, we can use in the perfect tense. I have just finished my work. You have not yet finished your work. So I have already finished my work. So I have said here the three sentences. By using just, already and yet. Always remember, just, already, always used with the positive sentences and yet always used with the negative sentences. Like ever, I have never seen the Taj Mahal. I have ever seen the Taj Mahal. So ever, never also we can use whenever we talk about the perfect tense. Then comes the perfect continuous. Means a action, a past action which is still continuing now. Means how? I have been working in this institution since 2002. So here I have used since. Since and for is known as the prepositions of time. Since is always used with the point of time and for is used with the period of time. Just I am giving one example. I have been working in this institution since 2004. I have been working in this institution for 16 years. So here, since 2004 I have used because the point of time has been mentioned here. But when I said for 16 years, here the period of time has been mentioned. So always remember that whenever we talk about the period of time, we must use the since. And whenever we talk about the period of time, we must use the for. So like this, so perfect continuous tense, that is the past action continuing even now. So we can give any examples like I have been doing my homework since 8 o'clock. I have been doing my homework for 5 hours, 5-6 hours like this. Okay. So this is about the use of present tense. In our next video, we are going to discuss about the use of past tense. Till then, bye.